What if you had hiccups? For 68 years. Yes, years. A man named Charles Osborne started hiccuping in 1922. It happened after a small accident, and the hiccups never stopped. At his worst, he hiccuped up to 40 times per minute. Doctors tried many treatments, but nothing worked. He even learned how to live a normal life with constant hiccups. Over his lifetime, he hiccuped more than 430 million times. That's more hiccups than most people take breaths in years. And here's the strangest part. And after 68 years, the hiccups suddenly stopped. No reason, no warning. They just ended. What's the longest you've ever had hiccups? Comment below.